welcome back to WsCube. So guys, in our previous session we learned the method of select query. Select query allows us to view the data which is in our DB browser, and we can view the data inside our Python. We can view it with the help of a limit and order also. We can arrange it with the order that if it is ascending or if it should be descending. We can provide it with a limit that we want to, that till which limit we want to see that data. So in our today's session, we will be discussing about deleting a query. So far we know how to insert it, how to view it, but today we will be learning how to delete a data. Suppose if there is some unwanted data over there inside your DB browser and now you want to delete it. So for that we have a delete query over here. Today we will be working on that. So let's have a look on how delete query works, and we will be seeing its structure as well. So guys, here I have created a new file just like how I have done in previous session. Similarly, first of all I'll be importing SQLite. After that I'll be building a connection over here. That connection is equals to SQLite3.connect, and we have to connect it with our student data. So I'll be writing student data.db over here, and lastly I'll be starting my cursor over here. So for cursor I'll be writing cursor is equals to connection.cursor. And now what I need to do, I need to execute the delete query method over here. So for executing it, I'll be writing connection.execute. What we need to execute over here, we want to delete a data. So we will be here writing delete from. So from where we have to delete? We have to delete it from our students table. So I'll be writing student over here, that from our student table we have to delete it. And in the student table also, from where we have to delete it. So where means that deleted from student, from where we will be going through a particular row over here, that we will be going to a particular column over here. So if I want to delete something, we usually use primary keys, but you can use any column over here if you know the value. So if I go to my browser over here and see, you can see that number 3 is like the data which is there inside the number 3. It is a useless data. It does not even make sense as well. So let's delete whatever is there on number 3. So what we will be doing, we will be taking the roll number over here and 3. So from where we will be deleting from. So guys, this is a very simple method of deleting something. All you need to do is you need to get to the primary key and just select the number over there, and wherever you select the number, whichever number you select, that row will be deleted. Basically, if I do it for any other row also, if I do it for row number 5, that means roll number 5, and if I run it, and nothing will happen over here. But if I go to my DB and refresh it, the number 5, whatever data was there on number 5, now it has been deleted. So this is how our delete query method works over here. So I hope guys, you guys have no doubts and no questions in what is the delete query method, and it is now easy that how you can delete something from your database. So in our next session guys, we'll be discussing about the update query. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.